You're supposed to destroy the competition, not to take part in it.
Robbie Rotten will dance.
Okay. I'll let you in on a little secret. Robbie Rotten doesn't dance! Robbie doesn't move! Robbie doesn't move!
Robbie Rotten is moving now.
Huh? Oh, what can I do? I have to think. Think. Nothing. I'll just have to teach you how to dance, or that little pink girl will win, and we'll have dance contests forever. Ready? Strike a pose. No! Now try this.
Hands up. Why don't you try it?
Maybe it's the music. Aha! Why don't you try this? No! Why can't you be more like her? My God.
If anyone can dance, it's you.
This is too good to be true. I'll stop this dance competition by winning it. She's perfect, and so am I. We are both perfect. Hooray, hooray! Hooray, hooray, hooray! Robbie!